Hi everybody, I'm super excited for this video. I'm going to be unboxing the new Doctor Strange bear from Build-A-Bear. I also have Wanda and Vision that I did review a couple of months ago, so I will also link that in the cards as well as down below. So I picked this up, I ordered it. Just ignore the chaos that's happening in the background because I'm currently moving in a day and a half. Because of my loud neighbors, maybe you can hear them. So I just got this 2 seconds ago. I'm unboxing it. This is my second time filming this because I feel like I was rushing it a little bit too much the first time. So every order always comes with this thank you card from Build-A-Bear and then with a blank birth certificate. I never fill these out anymore, and I wish there was an option to kind of completely opt out of it because I feel like it's a waste of paper. I don't keep them anymore. I mean, it's a nice option when you're in stores or when you're giving this bear as a gift, but for me, I'm just buying this for myself. All right, so let's take a look at this beautiful bear. It is on the softer side compared to a lot of the other Build-A-Bears I've purchased recently. Not even in terms of the stuffing, which I do feel was the right amount. Usually when I buy these, they're very firmly stuffed and then I find it too hard to hug. But the actual fur on its head and on its paws is softer than the average one that I've been picking up lately, including even like the Wanda and Vision that I have. So I like the eyes. It has like that little blue rim. He has some facial hair, which is really funny to see a Build-A-Bear with facial hair, but I kind of like it. And then you have his costume. We have his flowing cape and the outfit that he wears in the actual films. And then on one of his bottom paws, you can see actual Doctor Strange on it from the movie depiction. And then on his paws, you just get a little Build-A-Bear symbol as always. Here's a look at the back of the cape. I thought that was a bullet wound for a second. I don't remember what's going on with Doctor Strange and where we left off in the films. So I definitely have to get a little bit of a recap before the movie comes out. But it's absolutely beautiful and it flows really nicely and it is removable. So there's some Velcro there and you can remove it. So here's what Doctor Strange looks like without the cape. Super cute. And then here's the actual cape itself, which I like that you can remove it because I know sometimes in the films, the cape is doing its own thing elsewhere. So from the outside, we already saw it. It's a little bit, it also has that collar too. And then on the inside, it's like the checkered print, very pretty. And I like that there's no audio included in this bear because I find sometimes it doesn't sound nice, or it, you know, it increases the price anytime you have a bundle where you can't pick and choose what you're putting. Initially, when these bears launch, they're usually always like only in a bundle with something else. So I like that there was nothing. It's just the bear itself. This costume right here is not removable. It's just been sewn onto it, which I don't mind because it is a Doctor Strange bear and it does have the facial hair. So it all makes sense to me. Like I said before, the movie's coming out really soon. I think it comes out on my husband's birthday or the day before, or we're watching it the day before. I don't know. But either way, I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna bring this bear with me and I wanna bring Wanda. So like I said, if you've missed my Wanda unboxing, I will link that down below. That video didn't get a lot of views, but I feel like those bears in particular are super duper cute. I think the attention to detail was also equally as nice as this one. And usually when Build-A-Bear comes out with Marvel stuff or like superhero, like stuffed animals, they're not always super cool or cute or fun, but with those I feel like they definitely stood out. Currently Wanda is out of stock. I'm not quite sure when they will be restocking it, but this one just hit stores and online. Like I literally bought it the day of and I paid for 2 days shipping because I wasn't sure where I was gonna be. I'm having a whole issue with the address of the new house, so I'm so glad that I did the 2 day shipping and I got here. Personally, when I order from Build-A-Bear, they use FedEx and I generally have like issues with them not coming or taking like 10+ days without the tracking updating, and then I'm just kind of like, where's my package? So I was worried that was gonna happen now as I'm moving between houses, but it did arrive safe and sound. So now we're gonna do a little bit of a price breakdown. Now just keep in mind, I did pay for that extra shipping, but even when you're paying for standard shipping, Build-A-Bear can be really expensive. I do notice that lately they've been doing like 5-day free express shipping, or like they have all these little mini deals. Oh, like right now, need gifts fast, we got you, save $10 on express shipping by using the code express at checkout. So I do like when they have those deals because a lot of times they don't, and then the shipping for like standard is $14.99. So that's always a bummer when that happens, but let me show you. So the online exclusive Doctor Strange inspired bear was $45. Not a bad price if you ask me. The shipping was $20. That was for 2-day express shipping. Taxes, I live in New York City, was $5.77. And then that brings my total to be $70.72. So yeah, I didn't even realize that this was an online exclusive. That's kind of a bummer. I mean, eventually those things usually hit stores anyway, but with the movie coming so soon, it's weird that they're doing that. Also, it's weird, I'm gonna go on a Build-A-Bear rant here, that their Fantastic Beasts collection launched so far from the actual release date of the movie. I went to a fan premiere of that movie and I would have loved to have been able to review the plushies within that week. But in the US, they ended up being released like a week and a half at least after the movie had already aired. So I'm still thinking of getting them. Let me know if you would like to see the Fantastic Beasts review. They have the Niffler, they have the Bow Truckle, they have like baby Nifflers. I would love to hear your thoughts down below, so definitely let me know. And I think that is all I wanted to talk about. With this bear. I think he's cute, but let me know your brutal thoughts. I would love to hear every second of it, because people are like, Build-A-Bear stuffed animals are always very polarizing for people, especially when it comes to like Marvel or Disney related ones. So let me know your thoughts down below. And this very well might be the very last video where you see this background. My huge bedroom is very much going to be downsized in the next place that I'm going to, but it's going to give me peace of mind because we're going to be on the top floor and we're not going to have loud annoying neighbors above us that ruin every shot, because my videos are usually really choppy because I have to edit out so much of the running, so much of the door slamming, of the arguments, of the voices, because these are paper thin walls, and also the hospital is right there, so that can be very loud as well. But I'm getting a little sentimental because I've been filming here for the past 11 years, so I'm just taking a moment to take it all in, that this is literally going to be the last one I do here, which is a little crazy. But anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much, and a special thanks to anyone who has been here for the past 10 years of me filming videos, 10, 11 years, whatever, because it's been a wild ride. Anyway, until next time, bye.